How to make only people you follow can mention you on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only people you follow can mention you on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and then click profile, and here you will find the storylines in the top corner. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and here you will find privacy. Click on it and scroll down until you find mentions and tags, and scroll down. Here you will find people you follow. Click on it and then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.